Mushroom doesn't take that long to cook. Please click the subscribe button. It's a red button in the bottom of the screen, or sometimes on right hand side top corner you'll see subscribe. Just click that button and click the bell button also. Welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Let's start the cooking. Today I'm going to prepare shrimp curry for you. It's very easy and very delicious. I have shrimp here, washed and deveined and nicely dried. I'm going to marinate the shrimp. A little bit of salt and a little bit of yellow powder, that's it. Just some yellow powder. So the yellow powder is disinfectant and also it has a lot of health benefits. Just mix it well. Okay. Then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the ginger and garlic paste. I have some garlic and I'm going to peel the ginger and I'm going to grind it. Just about half an inch of ginger I'm going to use, and garlic, about half of the garlic I'm going to use, and I'm going to grind it, and that is going to be the ginger and garlic paste I'm going to use for the shrimp curry. So I have some peeled ginger, just tiny bit. If you put too much ginger, it has a bitter taste to it. I'm going to add some olive oil. When the oil is hot, add some cumin seeds and a little bit of fennel seed. If you don't have fennel seeds, it's okay. Just about half a teaspoon of each. Put some curry leaves. Some onion, chopped onions. I'm adding the garlic and ginger paste. Nicely roast the paste until you get a nice aroma of ginger and garlic. And then add the tomatoes. About 1 full tomato. This also according to your taste. You can either reduce or increase tomato. If you don't want your curry to be too spicy, then you can make it mild by increasing the tomato. Add the masala powder after the tomato is nicely cooked and after it's melted. Turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon. Fish masala. Since I'm making shrimp, this is fish masala. You can add any kind of fish masala you can get from Indian store. And if you don't have an Indian store nearby, if you don't have any fish masala, you can skip this. You can make it without adding this. And I'm adding paprika here. You can add chili powder. And about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Cook it for about few minutes until the raw smell of the curry powder is gone, and then you can add the shrimp. Once you add the shrimp, you don't have to cook it for too long because shrimp cooks very fast. If you cook the shrimp for too long, it becomes rubbery. Remember we had marinated with some salt, so it already has some salt. Don't cover the shrimp. If you cover it, then it's going to give out more liquid. Then your curry is going to become too liquidy. If you want more gravy, you can cover it with the lid after you put the shrimp. But if you want it like a dry gravy, don't cover it. See, once the shrimp starts to curl, and once the color changes to pink, it's cooked. At this point, what you can do, you can just take it off the stove, you can put the lid and put it away. Then it'll be just fine. It'll be nice and soft and juicy. And if you cook it for too long, like I mentioned, it's going to become very rubbery. That's it. It's almost cooked. Some cilantro. It's done. I hope you enjoy the show, and I will be back soon. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. Subscription is free, and I will be back with another easy, delicious, and healthy recipe for you. Until then, take care, and thank you for watching.